In this video, I will show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome for this example, but you can use other browsers like Microsoft Edge. Next, go to the YouTube website by typing youtube.com. Press enter. Now, let's find the install option for the YouTube app. For Google Chrome users, look for the right of the URL bar for an icon that looks like a computer monitor with a down arrow. Click on this icon. A pop-up will appear saying install app. Click on install. For Microsoft users, click on the three dots in the top right of corner of the browser. Scroll down to find apps. Click on install this as an app, which is install YouTube right here. Then press install. Once installed, you will see YouTube app icon on your desktop. Double click on this icon to open YouTube app directly. And that's it. You've successfully installed the YouTube app on your laptop or PC. If you found this guide useful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.